Leaving your dog home alone? Here's what might be running through their head.
Door closed. They're gone forever. Probably moved to another country. I'll wait by the door, just in case. Maybe if I shred this pillow, they'll come back faster. Still gone. Okay, time to howl my feelings.
Separation anxiety is real and heartbreaking. Many dogs feel bored, anxious, or even scared. Try puzzles, calming music, or short goodbyes. They miss you more than you think. Follow us for tips to keep your dog calm and happy.